Okay, here's a quick 2-second lean tip for you. In a folder on the server, I want to find something inside these PDF files. So I know inside these PDF files, because the word oxide occurs, but when I go to search, it doesn't find anything. So you might be looking for the mark number, you might be looking for something just inside the PDF itself, not the name of the PDF, right? If I search for the name, it obviously will find, the things that have that in the name, but maybe I want to find something inside the PDF. So here's the tip. Go up to Advanced Options, and then click File Contents, and add that as an option. Now when I click Oxide, it will actually find the word oxide inside the files. So here's a quick 2-second lean tip. In a folder inside a job, and this is the field use steel folder, if I want to do a search and I search for a file name, it finds the file names. But if I want to do a search for text that might be inside the PDF, like a mark number or a word, it doesn't find anything. So here's the tip. Come up here to Advanced Options and turn on File Contents. Now when I type a word that is inside these files, it finds the file information inside. So if I open this file, you'll see the word oxide is present inside the file. So if you want to search inside the PDF files on the server, just change those advanced options. And then you may want to turn it back off because it may slow searches down, but I'm not even sure. I haven't gone that far. But that's my tip for today. Thank you very much.